How do? Just starting on the passenger side rear panel. Just going to cut off these supports here, and then once they're off, I'll be able to use my metal nibbler to then cut the single skin. It won't go through both skins at the same time, it's too thick. So yeah, once you get that off, then we can get the flare installed on this left hand side.
What are you using to cut the supports off?
Grinder.
Grinder!
Just a grinder. Hopefully got enough power in it. Yeah, 2 bars, all good. Yeah, and then flare is just going to be held on with like a Sikaflex polyurethane type material. Or a caulking type gun.
Sweet.
Let's go.
As David said, he's grinding all of these metal supports down. That's too thick to nibble off. I do like sparks. That's why I constantly zoomed in.
Yeah, that's those. This is a prying tool, just to pry these off. They're only, it's like a strong glue really. But yeah, get those off and then we can get the nibbler in then. Pilot all for the nibbler to go through. And then we'll just do some guide holes. In fact, pull that door to a bit. Let's do a few holes just to guide me, just so I know roughly where to stop, and then once I've taken the main bit out, I'll then get closer to the edge of the trim.
Woohoo! I see the end.
End of my nibbler.
You have your nibbler. Focus a little bit there. Ah, it's not focusing. Oh well, crack on. Just use your imaginations. Oh yes, the parcel force is disappearing. Bye bye parcel force. See ya later. Well, some of it's disappearing.
No, we're not doing it quite big enough.
Well, I'm happy to go and drill it for you.
It's actually just that bit there I need to get.
God damn it. You just don't want me near your power tools.
Right.
Hey, the little metal filings spews out the front of that nibbler.
Yeah.
It's really funny.
Yeah, it's basically a punch. So that goes down, it uses that, so that's a die, is that end of it.
Mm-hmm.
And just basically just dies it, and just fires it out the end.
Well, I was more thinking like a 12-year-old boy, but hey ho.
Okay.
Trust you to get all technical and shit.
You can hold that.
The power is in my hands. I am gonna nibble now. Or not. Man will never let me play with these two. So what are you doing now?
Just cleaning the surface to get rid of as much crap off it as I can. So hopefully a good adhesion with the polyurethane.
And why have you put the ratchet straps on?
Because those panels aren't perfectly flat, annoyingly. And when I questioned it with the manufacturer, they sent me a picture of how somebody put theirs on, and they put ratchet straps on with some bits of wood to try and keep it flat whilst it sets. Which isn't the best, really, is it? You know, you'd have thought when you're paying best part of £550 for 2 of these pods, that it'd be pretty good. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, the picture he showed me, they'd put the ratchet straps upwards, like 3 ratchet straps and bits of wood across. But I'm guessing they're a roof rack or long straps that went right around to the other side. But I've not got straps that long, so I've done it a different way and hooked it onto the inside of the panels going that way. So hopefully these should sit in line with where it's going to bond, and then I'm going to get a few bits of scrap wood I've got around there just to put on the outside, just to push against it, and then ratchet strap it tight. And hopefully it should seal. I mean, at least as long as it bonds, that's the main thing. I can silicone the top afterwards if I need to stop any leaks coming in or whatever. It's mainly just making sure it bonds well. So yeah.
Okay, crack on. Cinderella. Rockefeller. Yep. I'm ready. Top first.
It's going to be fun because I need to do that and try and get those on and hold it in place.
Pardon?
I've got to put those. Oh, tyre I can get to them there and get that one I can reach. Right.
Say when loudly because I'm deaf.
Yeah. Absolute wanker.
What's happened?
Give me those other gloves.
Were they?
It's alright. Held on now just by the.
Yeah, but how? Yeah, I spoke to you soon. She would have just told me to come and hold it.
Yeah, I thought it would have grabbed it.
Huh?
I thought it would have grabbed it.
Well, can you not alcohol wipe it off?
Yeah, I'll just do what I can afterwards. Right.
As you can see here, I had to hold the flare in place so it doesn't slip down the van while the polyurethane settled. It literally felt like hours. It wasn't. It was probably not even 5 minutes. David was running around in and out of the van, trying to tighten the straps and putting some wood in, just to get it right, get it at the right angles, just to get those ends of the flares flat against the van, because it was sticking up a little bit, just so we can have a proper seal so there's no leakage. I'm shifting about because I'm getting really bored. I'm not someone that can stand in the same place. I can sit in the same place, not stand. And he's running around trying to sort it out. Really was like a game of Tetris for him. Every so often he had to nip into the back garden to go find a different piece of wood to make it all fit. I shouldn't be laughing, but it actually was really funny to watch. Eventually we had a proper fit. Everything was in place. Then he used some larger pieces of wood to fit at the bottom, just to hold it up during the night, just to be extra careful. You don't know what's going to happen during the night, and there you are, our little flare in.
So just tidy it up with the scraper, because we're painting it in any case. It's all gravy, baby. High five. Well done, you.
Boom.
Boom. Need to get a new t-shirt,
Oh yeah.
because you're not necessarily towing it.
No.
You're driving it.
And good job, put the masking tape on. I only put it on to protect it whilst I had the wooden battens across holding it in place.
Yeah.
But yeah, good job I had them on, because some of this, because it slipped slightly as we were installing it.
Oh yeah.
So we ended up with loads of this polyurethane stuff down here, and I was trying to wipe it, and it ended up going onto the masking tape. So luckily, because it went on the masking tape, when I just peeled the masking tape off now, it obviously just came off with the masking tape rather than it being stuck onto the actual surface.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I thought that was your plan, actually. I thought you planned it like that. You did it on
Yeah.
purpose.
Look at that. Got it off just in time as the rain starts.
Yeah.
We can go inside.
Have some nice
no more
coffee.
windows or flares today, unfortunately. It's
Sucks.
annoying, so I was hoping to get the other side completely done. Well,
Is what it is.
yep.
It's the UK for you.
But on the plus side, hopefully I can try and get a roof rack today instead. I'm just waiting for a few people to reply back to me. Yeah. So if we do get one, then it'll be going out on its first big trip apart from when we first got it.
Oh yeah. Cool. Well, I'm getting away.
Yep.